everybody, I'm Miss B, and today we're going to learn how to make peanut butter cookies. They're really good, really easy, and don't take very long to make. So the first thing you want to do is make sure that you have a clean workspace in your kitchen. The second thing you want to do is make sure you have all the materials that you're going to need. So I have a bowl of sugar, I have 1 cup of sugar, 1 egg, mixing spoon and bowl, peanut butter, and a cookie sheet. Once you have your workspace ready and all your materials laid out, you're gonna wanna pause, wash your hands with hot water and soap, and then we'll be ready to go. All right, now that we have clean hands, we're ready to get started. The first thing that you wanna do is take your cup of sugar and dump it right into your mixing bowl. Then you're gonna crack your egg into the measuring cup. This is a trick I like to use. It helps me not get the peanut butter stuck to the measuring cup when it's time to do that. So I like to just swirl it around and make sure that the egg touches the whole inside of the measuring cup. And then I'll pour that right on top of my sugar. And then I'm gonna do 1 cup of peanut butter. All right, I always like to do a big cup. So you see it came out pretty easy and it's a little bit less scrubbing on you when it's time to do the dishes. So we can set that aside and you're gonna take your mixing spoon and just mix that up really, really good. All right, once you have it mixed really good, you can put away your peanut butter and you're gonna get this bowl of sugar ready. Now what you're gonna do is take just a pinch of peanut butter cookie dough, and it's really sticky. This is a kind of a messy job. You're gonna roll it into a little ball about that big and cover it in sugar. Make it really sweet. And then you're just gonna plop it on your cookie sheet. You're gonna do that for your entire bowl of cookie dough. It usually makes anywhere from 12 to 12.5 cookies, so it's a really good treat when you wanna have something to share with the family. All right, last cookie dough ball. All right, once you've done that, pause and go grab a fork so that we can decorate these cookies just a little bit before we bake them. Okay guys, so this is what the cookie dough balls look like once they've been rolled around in sugar. And what I like to do is go through and put little crisscross marks on each one. If you don't want to do this step, you don't have to. They will taste just as good, but I like to decorate them just a little bit. All right, these are decorated and ready for the oven. Okay guys, so we're gonna put our cookies in a 350-degree oven. For 12 minutes. All right, so it's been about 12 minutes in the oven and our cookies look perfect. They are ready to come out. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna let them sit on the cookie sheet for just a minute or two. After a minute or two, you can get a spatula and transfer them over to a cooling rack if you have one. It'll just help them cool a little bit faster so you can enjoy them faster.